this thing like completely spilled. Oh my god, that is warm oil. Wow, okay, I have oil all over my hands. Well, it's good I put the plastic down at least, but yeah, that it like almost completely missed. It hit at first, it went completely in, but then it like really started like spilling out. But yeah, I have warm oil on my hands now. Oh wow, that's interesting. And it's so crazy because if I start the car, I'll need a new one. So, all right, just gotta let this finish draining out and change that oil filter. So I'll let this continue doing its thing, and we'll be right back. And let's see what we have. Okay, ooh, oh man, that oil definitely has a smell to it. Wow. Okay, and there we have it, all the old oil. And I got this crush washer. I actually got this for free. Yeah, I didn't really know where to go to get one, so I just went to the Mazda dealer, and the dude was just like, here, take him. So thankfully I got this as a drain bolt. Let's get this going. Fun. You know, I know a lot of people freehand, you know, pouring oil, but I'm not brave enough to do that yet. So let's just go ahead and I think that means so it's the last couple minutes of 2023, and I gotta say it's definitely been quite a year. You know, I'll probably put this in the last part of the next video I'm working on, but yeah, it's definitely been quite a year. Man, the amount of just shit that's happened, it's too much to put into words. It's more of a, you know, emotional type of explanation. I'm not even sure what I'm saying right now, but yeah, it's been quite the year, and you know, we're ending this year on a rather sour note, but you know, I just want next year to really be something great, you know, like I've you know, started to get in a groove, and you know, as far as, you know, making YouTube videos. And I just want to keep the ball rolling. I just want to keep the wheels moving. No pun intended. But yeah, you can probably hear the fireworks or gunshots going off. Yeah. This is kind of like a future message to myself in another year, I guess. I guess I'll just make this like an annual thing. But yeah, I want 2024 to be something really, really good. I want it to be the start of something good, not, you know, automatically like just hopping into, you know, the life that I want to live, but you know, I want it to be the start of something good, taking, you know, those steps to building something great, really great, and just making my dreams become a reality. You know, I'm starting to see, you know, a little bit more attention on my channel, and I just, obviously, you know, this isn't a game for chasing numbers, but it's definitely cold. Yeah, it's cold. Input lag. Yeah, you see. But nah, it definitely isn't a game of chasing numbers. I just want to leave an impact. That's really it. Let me see what time it is. Yeah, 10 more minutes of this year, and then we'll be on to the next. So, with all that really being said, this is the start of something great, and just know you're witnessing the birth of a legend. You're really witnessing the birth of someone I always wanted to be. Yeah. You're witnessing the birth of someone I've always wanted to be. So, that being said, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.